Hello guys, welcome to this wonderful piano tutorial. Walter Success Piano is wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous and Happy New Year in advance. Alright guys, so I want to thank on this special note, I want to thank all my subscribers, for the wonderful and unwavering support you have been rendering towards Walter Success Piano. If you are a new subscriber here, you're welcome as well. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I plead on you to subscribe. And the wonderful thing that's about it, you hit on the notification button beside, which is will notify you when we come online. And please share the link to your friends. All right, God bless you. So I'm going to play Miracle No the Tired Jesus by Moses Bliss. All right, so this wonderful period of New Year that's coming, I pray that may the miracle of Jesus in your life never gets tired. He'll keep pouring out that his miraculous testimonies and blessings upon your life in Jesus' name. All right guys, so we're going to hit right towards the video. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go straight forward to the piano tutorial of the song. Alright, so I'm gonna start it slow, then with the grand piano, and one part. So before I do that, I want to tell you the chord progression of the song. And remember, we are playing on C transpose. Okay, C transpose means that you take -3, alright, on your transpose, and you play on C. Alright, so the chord progression is a 1, alright, C major, A minor, that's 6. Then we have 4, that's F major. Then we have 5, and G major, right? That's G major, alright. So that's it, very straightforward, alright. So it's 1, miracle, 1, alright. So that is miracle, no the tired Jesus, 6. To bless the person, no the tired Jesus, 4, alright. He don't did do one before, he still did do. Alright, that's 5. Miracle, no the tired Jesus. Miracle, I take it all over again. Miracle 1, no the tired Jesus. To bless the person, no the tired Jesus. You don't did one before, you still did do. Miracle, no the tired. Okay, 5. Miracle, no the tired Jesus, 1. Alright. So you notice that when I was going to the 5, I was doing something like. Alright. It's nice. Okay. Chai, miracle, no deal. Now, Latido. You bet that miracle, no deal. Miracle, no deal. Latido. Like a passing chord, right? So when I did that, that's essentially the chord progression of the song, guys. And you can also play it in the kind of praise or siben where miracle. So we do this just on all on all the, you're doing that just on all the chords, okay? That's kind of the bass line, all right? So you can turn it to 7, praise whatsoever you want, guys. All right, guys, I hope you learned something.